Hello everyone, today we are discussing a topic that's been in the news a lot lately, artificial intelligence, or AI for short. But what exactly is AI, and why is it so important? Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing speech, understanding natural language, and making decisions. AI can be classified into two types, narrow or weak AI, which is designed to perform a single task, and general or strong AI, which has the potential to perform any intellectual task that a human can. One of the key drivers behind the development of AI is the explosion of data that we are seeing in the world today. With the help of advanced machine learning algorithms, AI systems can process this data and make predictions, identify patterns, and make decisions. Applications of AI can be found in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to finance to retail. AI is being used to improve efficiency, increase accuracy, and provide new and innovative solutions to complex problems. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to transform our lives in many ways. From improving healthcare to creating new jobs, the possibilities are truly exciting. As we continue to explore the capabilities of AI, it's important that we also consider the ethical implications of this technology. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.